Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix there are currently no power options available in Windows or computer. So when you have tried to access this power button, the error occur, and this video I'll teach you how to fix it. So let's begin. The very first step that you can do is you need to do a right click here at the start icon, scroll up and go with settings. Once you have opened your settings, proceed to the left side of your screen. You can see there system, click on it. The moment you've clicked on the system tab, scroll down and look for troubleshoot. Simply click on it and you can see there are three options. Go with the third one, which is other troubleshooters. And here under the troubleshooters, you need to look for power. So in my case, I don't have such, but if in your case you have that, just simply click on run aligning to that. Let's say, for example, this is a power, click on run, and it will run the troubleshooters for you and it will fix your problem. Okay? Just have to put a lot of patience with this since it will take some time, but I'm sure it will fix. Okay? So the second method that I could teach you is you need to press Windows and R key together. Again, it is Windows and R key together, and here you need to type Registry Edit. Again, it is Registry Edit. Click on OK. And here you need to paste a registry path, which I'll be including at the description box below. So Control C, Control V. Let me just delete this. Control V, then click Enter. The moment you click on that, you will be redirected here at the Explorer. Here you need to select it, do a right click, go with New, and go with DWORD 32-bit value. And here you need to rename this into No Close. Please type what I have just exactly typed here. No close, no space. And then click anywhere. And then here, do a right click, go with modify, and make the value data into 0. Okay, then click on OK and close this window. And you need to restart your computer. Okay, and check if your problem has been fixed. How you can restart your computer, just simply press Control Alt and Delete keys and you can find a power button there and just have to restart. Okay? Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our third step, which is we need to search for command prompt. Here at the bottom search bar, type CMD for short and this command prompt will appear. Go with run as administrator and then okay, and when you have opened your command prompt, you need to input this command, which is task kill. Okay, Control C, Control V. Once done, click on enter. The moment you've clicked on enter, everything will close aside this window. Okay, just have to, once done, just have to enter this explorer.exe. Okay, again, it is explorer.exe and just have to click on enter and everything will fall back to its place. Okay, so that's it. Once you have done, just have to check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed for you. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.